Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna get right into the video. So today I'm gonna be doing an everyday glam holiday edition, I guess just you want to call it. But this is actually my favorite go-to soft glam. It's just simple, easy, and quick. And what I did when I first started the video was use my LA Girl spray, which is an actual spray primer. I like spray primers better because I feel like they add so much to the look to the look that you're going for. So right now I'm starting off with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the color Caramel. And right here, I'm just making sure that it is blended all into my face. I did my eyebrows off camera because it really would have taken so much time to actually do them on camera. So yeah, so right now I'm just going ahead and blending this out, making sure this is all over my neck, making sure that it's full coverage, and that's it. Now I'm going to go with my favorite drugstore concealers, which is also by LA Girl. One is in the color medium beige, the other one is in toast, which is what I use to contour. And right now I'm just blending in that medium beige concealer just to give that highlight to my face, because with subtle glam, I feel like with subtle glam and soft glam, it gets more, I like the highlights of it. It's so much of a great look for me that I really like a lot of highlight, but not too much. Next, I'm going to be using this bronzer that my mom actually got me for Christmas. It's just basically just a natural bronzer from Kohl's. I don't know the name of the place, of the no-name makeup brand, but it's from Kohl's, and I really like this bronzer. So right now I'm just bronzing up my under my lips so I can get that pouty look when I place my lipstick on. So right now I'm just setting my cream contour and all of the other good stuff. Right here, I'm going to be using my favorite bronzer, and it is by Rimmel London, and it is the natural waterproof bronzer. You can actually get this bronzer from Walgreens, CVS, any of your local Walmarts and Rite Aids and everything. And it's in the color Sundance. Yeah, so right now I'm going to be using, to set my under eye concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me, which is in the color 300. And it's just a setting powder that I'm going to be using because I want my under eyes to be as matte as possible. And I'm not an oily girl like that. A little bit, I have like combinations, so I have to make sure that every area of my face is literally set so I don't be sweating and all the other good stuff. So yeah. So right here is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you guys hit that like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much, and see you in my next video.